In this video, I'll show you how to rename photos on your iPhone. You won't need any external things. It's very simple. So hit the like button, hit the subscribe button. Let's start. So the first thing you want to know is this is ways to do that. I've just opened up the photo. You can do it from the edit button, right? You can do it from the three dots. So if you're wondering and trying those, they do not work. The first way is actually clicking the I button right here. And the photo name right here is IMG 0720. As you can see, the thing we can do here is add a caption that will make it searchable. For example, trading, because I'm also a day trader. So you can add a caption and rename it like this. If this is not, if you want to also change the image 0720, you want to click on the share button right here. From here, you want to navigate down to save to files. And here you can actually change the name to whatever you like. It's as simple as that. If the video helped you out, please give it a like. And I want to see you next one. And if you have any questions, let me know in the comment section down below. I'll try to help you out.